Hey everyone, my name is BJ. I am the inventory manager here at Karl Pre-owned in Glidden, Iowa. Just want to take a quick minute to go through the process if you want to get your vehicle serviced here in Glidden at the pre-owned store. On the east side of the building, you'll see the reserved parking spots here for all of our service customers. From there, park in a spot, bring your keys in. Here's our service door. If you do need some help, feel free to give us a call. We'll help you get you assisted into our service center. And right when you walk in here, you will see a very comfortable sitting area. If you didn't need help getting in, Jason will help you right through this window. Give them your keys, let them know exactly what's going on with your vehicle. As you're waiting for your vehicle to get serviced, feel free to use our free Wi-Fi. Also, you can grab a refreshment. Once your vehicle is finished, the service writer will get you your keys and get you all settled up. Overall, our goal here is to make this process as easy as possible for you, our customers. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 712-659-2209.